Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and what do we have today? Well, we have another Jeep Wrangler, but what did we do? Well, I'll tell you 1 second. By the way, that is my telephone number to the store. If you have questions, we have great answers. And before I forget, hit that like button now. Before we even see the video, like it and subscribe to the channel. So that being said, come on, John. By the way, our general manager, John's behind the camera, and if you do call the store, you'll probably be talking to him. Now, if you come to the store, you can talk to all of us. Now, what do we have here? Well, we have the Jeep Wrangler here. It is the JL, and we have some Go Rhino running boards on here. And these are some really tough, beefy looking running boards. And they're designed if you're going off-road, you know, they can take a little abuse here. I have Go Rhino on my personal truck, and I like Go Rhino products. And I do like how it does a nice job of kind of covering up this little pinch well. Some of the running boards, you kind of see the pinch well, and the pinch well is kind of ugly. And this does bolt in there very nicely. So now, as you can see, I am a big guy. So let's go ahead and let's take a look on here. As you can see, I'm putting all my weight on there, no problem whatsoever. So a person who's not as overweight as me would be no problem on there. Again, these are great looking boards. John, if you want, go in there and get they're real close so they can kind of see how they are. I think they're very sharp. I think it's a very nice look. And by the way, if you're wondering what these are, this is for if you're off-road and your boots are full or shoes full of mud or something, you can kind of rub it along there and it'll help get the mud off. And again, having holes there, if you get mud on it, just kind of goes right through. Same with water. So it's a nice little setup. So it's kind of a rock guard / step bar in here. Now, you like this product, I'll go ahead and put a link of this product in the bottom of this YouTube video so you can check out how much it is. And of course, you can have it shipped directly to your house. Now, you can always call us or go right to the website, which, like I said, the link will take you to, and you can go ahead and order that way, or come to the store, let us put it on. We do put a 1-year labor guarantee of everything we install, covers adjustments, everything like that, plus the manufacturer's warranty. Now, I'll go ahead and put some information about which Go Rhino boards are on the video itself, so you'll see which model it is. Again, I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories, and don't forget, like and subscribe. Thank you.